and I've found two topics that are in my field, but I retired about 20 years ago.
Hmm.
One of the topics, they're both high demand, low competition topics.
Okay.
One of them is really high demand and low competition, and I know absolutely nothing about it. It's about applying AI to the job.
Hmm.
Nobody knows anything about it, but I don't know anything about it. The other one is one that I feel more comfortable that I could take on and add something to. Which one should I take?
The one that's in higher demand.
Really? And I don't
100%.
know a thing about it?
You don't need to know anything about the books that you're publishing. Because as backwards as that sounds, because one, you're using either ghostwriter or AI to write the book. But two, and more importantly, you're going to be doing the research for the book. So you'll learn what you need to learn in order to get the book created. Most of the books that I've published, I know nothing about the topics that I'm publishing on, but I do enough research to ensure that I create a high quality book that solves the problem that the reader's going to buy.
Whew, this
So
sounds really scary.
yeah, and that's okay. But because here's what's going to happen. You want to give yourself the best chance of success. And by doing that would be publishing in the niche that has the highest likelihood of success because it'll be more forgiving. And that's the main objective for you right now.
Okay, I'm sure that there are no books out on it yet.
Email me them so I can take a look.
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Yeah. Do that before you move forward, right? So I can take a look at those. That'd be awesome.
Okay, I will. Thanks. Bye bye.
Sounds good. Great talking to you.